and plus it was after lunch. So after a while, by 4 o'clock, those kids were hungry. I was hungry. I was like, you're looking delicious. But and welcome back to The Angry Teacher. I'm Richard Williams, The Angry Teacher, and on this channel, it's all things education. It's from my classroom, everything I do in there, to yours. So I could be talking about college, I could be talking about athletics, I could be talking about academics, whatever the range is or whatever ticks me off, everything I do in my classroom, you're gonna hear about it and be able to use some in yours, all right? That's what this channel is all about. So if it's your first time, welcome, join the family. Those of you who've been here before, welcome back. I love y'all, you know this. So it's your first time in the classroom, right? Or they moved you to another class. What do you keep in that closet? The one isolated, poor little thing. Sometimes it's probably just a little drawer, a little corner of the room. What do you keep there as a teacher? I got you. This is what we're going to be talking about today. Hang around. We're going to learn today. So, number one, we need our toiletries, right? We need our Band-Aids. We need our deodorant. We need our perfume or cologne. We need Lysol wipes. We need alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Whew. We need our rubbing alcohol. We need whatever toiletries, some of the things that you keep in your, we need Aleve, whatever you keep, or Tylenol, whatever you keep in your home medicine cabinet, the cabinet in your bathroom, keep some of it in your classroom as well, because life happens. I will tell you a story a little bit later, but in any case, for the toiletries, there are a lot of kids who need Band-Aids. There's some things obviously you can't administer because you're not the school nurse, but and it's illegal, but Band-Aids, if one of your athlete comes in and or they just had PE and they're kind of stinking up the room, you kind of offer like, hey, you want to borrow my deodorant here, one of the unused ones that I have, or you want to borrow the cologne a little bit. You're going to work after, you don't want to smell like this, buddy. You don't. And sometimes it's for you. You might have something where you smell a little unsure, or Junior puked on you again. Hey, this is where you got some other stuff, and I'm gonna mention some other stuff to keep in your closet, because By all means, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and ring the notification bell for the next Angry Teacher Dope video, because I keep it hot. Okay. In this closet, number two, you need like an umbrella. You need a change of shirt. This one, for me. You need cleaning cloths and cleaning detergent, cleaning stuff that you need that you use at home. Sometimes you need it in the classroom. With that said, things happen. Now, my first year at my new location, and I've been at this new location for about 9 years, I believe. And my first year there, my second high school in all, but my first year at that location, there was something happening in the neighborhood where cops were called and they were shutting down the neighborhood, shutting down the school so they could find this perpetrator. That happened the last block of the day. I was trapped in that class with my last 7th period, my last class of the day, till 6 o'clock. Oh my God. I was like, are you kidding me? Well, are you kidding me right now? So we bonded. I'm still in contact. A lot of my Pops kids in the teacher's lounge, I bonded with them because of that period, that situation. We were watching ourselves on the news. That's how bad it was. I was like, this is my first week. Do I need to be in this building? What the heck? Why did I leave the last one? In any case, I was there. I loved it, but I was there for an extra 4 hours. So in your classroom closet, keep some food. And plus it was after lunch. So after a while, by 4 o'clock, those kids were hungry. I was hungry. I was like, you're looking delicious. But we were starving. So keep food, keep a change of shirt. I've had situations where I've helped teachers move stuff and then it messed up the shirt that actually wore to work. So I had to go for my good old fashioned Epsilon shirt. We'll be talking about Epsilon in a couple of videos later, but I had to keep my stuff Always keep an extra shirt. You don't know what could happen. You might be drenched in the rain. You got to change the shirt up in there. All right. Cleaning stuff. I wipe down my desk every morning, even before COVID came around. So and it always smells good. So these are things to keep handy all the time. My school and the district demands that we keep paperwork, like students' grades. Sometimes there are folders with the assignments of what they did to prove to parents who come to question or contest a grade later. So we keep that important paperwork. If you're doing your national boards or you're doing your recertification, these are papers and files to keep safely. So if it isn't kept in your closet, at least keep it in a file cabinet not too far, and make copies so you can keep maybe a set at home or keep one there. At least you know where to find stuff all the time. So make sure those are there to keep you focused, to keep you, if somebody asks you something, I got it. Or if they, nope, I got it, here it said blah blah blah, or I got it. All right. Number 4, I said it already in number 2, keep some food. Especially if you're working out, you know, you need to be eating a lot more, and if you keep healthy food, that's a plus. But sometimes, you know, you're gonna have some kids. I've had and once again, clear this with your people first. You need to know if you can get away with it or not. But I feed my kids. Sometimes they come too late, so they weren't able to have the free breakfast provided by the school. So they're like, "Pops, you got a granola bar for me?" I'm like, "I got you." Or a honey bun or something. Now, some of these things are not healthy, I will admit it, but it's cheap. So you keep a stack in the room, and they know that if they need it, they can come get it. I think I've literally fed the entire football team, and you know they eat a lot. But yeah, so you have food for yourself. You know, I snack on my celery juice or celery sticks. I got some every now and then. I put my strawberries, and everybody knows I love pistachios. So 2 of my teacher friends, they hooked me up the other day, and I'm still snacking on those bad boys. At those virtual faculty meetings, when I can be in my classroom watching the faculty meeting, I'm snacking on those pistachios. I went through an entire, I think it's like a 2-pound bag just in that one meeting. I mean, seriously, I need help. In any case, keep some food handy. You're gonna need it sometimes. Once again, when I was trapped in that room with, I think the class was about 30 kids deep, till 6 o'clock, we needed to eat something. Whew. Thanks for coming to class today. Let's just go out there and be great. Hey, let's just go out there and teach.